Whether you run a job shop or you're in the OEM world, sometimes a new product family comes across your desktop. I want to share with you one solution on where you can look for answers if you've never done that type of work before, and it's available for free to you at your fingertips. Let's check it out. I am on the website at Sandvik Coromant. I love going here. Sandvik's one of those companies that just pours oodles and oodles of value for all of you, publishing it right on their website as they discover it. You want to go check out this industry solutions if you haven't yet. The moment you load this page, you're going to see they have aerospace, automotive, oil and gas. So if you're looking at anything in those areas and it's new to you, they have it broken down. They also have medical, dye mold, power generation, and wind power. But I want to bring your attention here to aerospace, right? You may think, oh, okay, but I'm not working on an aerospace component, or I'm not working on an automotive. No, but the solutions that could benefit you could very well be under any of these categories. There's a massive list here. I'm not going to read it all. Please go to their website and check it out. But if you look at automotive shafts, if you're making shafts in any industry where you've got splines and gears and bearing fits and anything else, they've got it broken down by operation available to you here. They will break down all the different tooling solutions that are applicable to making shafts. It doesn't matter really if you're an automotive, if you're using similar materials or designs, then you could be in any industry and find a solution for yourself. They break it all down, looking at the different options, everything from high pressure coolant. You can see all of it here, the power skiving, and it's all available on their website. So you can start exploring what it looks like to dive into that work. And the beautiful thing about that is perhaps you're looking to diversify what you can offer in your shop, and for customers that you're going to go after, if you check out that website first, then you have a better idea of the tooling, the components, and the operations necessary to be competitive in that industry. And it's shared all directly with you. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.